tripod might fly off.
Así que lo tienen que agarrar por eso. I got it. You'll see it. I don't know if it has ditch flash on. No, it doesn't. Look at that baby fly. Oh yeah, they turned it on. That thing is coming in fast. Watch that thing go. Ram White E-Bell with it's a Siemens charger. No, not a charger.
Careful, Lukai. Oh, we're seeing what, 12?
12, yeah. For those of you just joining us, please make your way to your seats and stay clear of the doors. We will be departing shortly to our final destination, West Palm Beach.
Go all the way to the front.
As a reminder, face masks are required for everyone's safety.
So here's the Brightline Siemens.
Please make your way to your seats.
No, and I would love to go to Northeast Caribbean to see an AC-64 Cardinal.
As a reminder, face masks are required for everyone's safety.
1A and 1B is here.
So for those of you just joining us, please make your way to your seats and stay clear of the doors. We will be departing shortly to our final destination, West Palm Beach. As a reminder, face masks are required for everyone's safety.
Are you kidding? Yeah, I'm gonna put it right here. Cause yeah, I got it.
Okay. Did you have to tie this thing? Like,
It's right.
okay.
You're on time.
Okay, hold on.
I got it.
Go.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright, we're about to depart, so I think we're ready.
Oh my God.
We're doing it.
Careful, Papa.
Welcome to Brightline. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the information booklet located in your seat pocket. Inside, you'll find safety and emergency exit information. Snacks and beverages will be served and are available for purchase for guests in our smart coach. and complimentary for those riding in premium. Thank you, and enjoy the ride. As a reminder, face masks are required for everyone's safety. To comply with federal regulations and Brightline's policies, please remember to keep your mask on at all times while on board and in our stations. Thank you.
It's gonna be card only, I'm sorry.
Ah, okay. I didn't know.
Yeah, it's card, Apple Pay, debit, credit. Yeah, it's a cash free.
It's our first time.
Welcome
so
aboard.
we're so excited. Thank you.
Of course.
It's fine, Sebastian.
You guys are from Fort Lauderdale?
No, in Boca.
Oh, okay. So you guys just came for the ride? Cool.
Yes.
Yeah, it's my first time because I was really used to tri-rail.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm sure you like this a lot better than Tri-Rail then.
I know.
It looks really
Theirs-
nice.
Theirs is kind of slow. And like,
It's
it takes
slow.
forever.
the bathrooms. It's weird, but they're really nice bathrooms.
Oh, that's cool. Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome. Enjoy your trip, guys.
Thanks,
Oh,
sweetheart.
let me get your ice, actually. So, I can talk to it's because I don't know how quick of a turnaround it's going to be when we're off the train, but I can talk to the train manager. They're not going to be able to go in, but they'll be able to see us. So, I can talk to them.
Okay, sorry. I know you're drinking. Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, we got here quick. No.
I need more water, please. I didn't know how much it was. me, the guys knew that we can walk around there.
Well, I know, but if the ice cream shop that we want to go to is like pretty far, we can just take the Brightline car. Riding the Brightline at night.
What does that mean?
That would be cool.
Really? Oh my god.
That would be cool.
Oh, yeah, you said that, but yeah.
It is nice even better because we can see everything.
I like the washer and dryer. The washer and dryer. That's pretty cool.
We will be arriving in West Palm Beach in just a few minutes. Please make sure to take all of your personal belongings with you. We hope you enjoyed your carefree, car-free trip. As a reminder, face masks are required for everyone's safety.
It's supposed to be here at 3 o'clock.
We're already arriving.
Holy crap. Hey guys, we're leaving. Ciao, we're here. In our station. Bye.
Oh shoot. Yeah. Disconnect that from me. Thank you. I need to get a quick port show before we go.
This is our stop. This is everybody's stop. Everybody get off this way? I'm first one up. Huh? I'm first one up. And the first one up.
Well, we're gonna have a lot of fun.
That's on.
Yo hice este viaje para ti.
Yes. So we have to exit.
Daddy, that's for
Oh, right here.
Están muy bonitos tus trenes, Sebastián. ¿Verdad que sí? Muy mira todo.
Alright, so thank you everybody for watching. We have to get a quick horse show before I end the video or the stream.
¿Tú venías a esta estación con papi?
No, because mom, this is only for Brightline, not Tri-Rail.
¿Ah? ¿Y el tren no llega aquí, el otro?
No, I just said that this
Yo
is
creo
only
que sí.
Brightline. No,
Yeah.
no.
Pero llega hasta Montgomery Park.
Yeah,
Pasa West Palm Beach, papi.
yeah, Tri-Rail pasa West Palm Beach, but not Brightline.
Oh.
Use the control
Vamos a
panel.
caminar por acá. Tenemos que fijarnos bien dónde está la estación para no perdernos después. A las 6 tenemos que estar aquí, 6:15.
Alright.
Digo, 6:25 como muy tarde creo que es así. O 6:30 puede ser, pero mejor. Porque sale a las 6:48. 6:48 is gonna be the next train.
will. Alright, Mom. I'm gonna run at the front of the train to see if I can get a horse show. I'm just gonna run at the front of the train real quick.
Bien, papi. Graba lo que quieras, mijo. Disfruta.
Oh, shoot, over here, over here. Sorry. I know.
That's a hack next time, okay? Here's the friends.
Yeah, they didn't let me.
Esto está muy ápero. Ay, yo siento que nos estamos yendo de viaje a otro sitio, ¿verdad?
Yeah, it looks like we're about to take an airplane or something.
¿Qué?
No, but here's the thing. You can actually take this train all the way. When you take it to Miami, it's right next to Metrorail, right? So you take the Metrorail to Miami International Airport Station for Tri-Rail. Then from there, you take the SkyTrain all the way down to the airport. There. Now you can fly. So... It's like a... Yeah, they better do it fast before it gets closed. That's gonna be like a full tour of like West Palm Beach or something.
Me parece muy bonito.
I know.
Ya después veremos con Amtrak.
Yeah. Amtrak is next on our list. Well, I haven't done a Tri-Rail video, so in a while.
Ay, mira qué chulo los carritos.
I know, I told you that.
Yo los había visto, son Tesla.
Yeah, I told you that.
So here's the rest of the station, and we're heading out.
Tenemos que fijarnos bien dónde. ¿Tú puedes parar de grabar?
Yeah, alright, we're done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the whole thing. And follow me, add me, do whatever you want, and subscribe. And turn on the notifications. Stay tuned for more train videos. We'll be doing Amtrak and Tri-Rail next, even though I've done Tri-Rail too many times. But we're gonna do that next. So thank you, and we'll see you later.